Hey guys! All right. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do you make those custom demos? And they're talking about those existing commercials and trailers that I redub and put on my Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn. So they're existing commercials and trailers, and I just redo them, same copy, same script, but the background music is different. And I'm going to show you how I do that, how I take the voice off, change the background music, and just put my own stuff on there. Let me show you this. Let's go to my desktop. And here's what you need. First off, what I use is Chrome or Firefox. In my case, I use Firefox. What else do you need? So this extension download helper, video download helper. I'll put a link in the comments or in the description below. You also need a DAW to edit your audio. In my case, this is Adobe Audition. And then you need iMovie or some other software to edit the movie, and new background music and sound effects. Now, first, let's search for a video that you'd like to redub. Let's use Firefox here, and let's go to YouTube. Let's go to the National Geographic YouTube page, Netherlands and Belgium, and let's go to a video that I redubbed a while ago, which was this one, Hostile Planet, National Geographic. This is the video. You just click on it, make sure it'll start playing automatically. Let's pause it for a second. There we go. And I want to download it, so just click on Video Download Helper here. You'll see this pop up, and you click on this arrow behind the title of the video. Click on that and download and convert. It's that simple. You select MP4 4 MB. There you go. You need MP4 and just click Save. It needs the companion app or something. Okay. Let's download that real quick. Anyway, yeah, you should be able to download it with that companion app. I usually do it on a different computer, so that's why it's not working here. And I actually don't want to download extra stuff on this computer. So you'll get this video here. I renamed it to Hostile Planet National Geographic YouTube. And just drag and drop. I'll do it for you. I'll show it here. Let's remove this. Let's drag and drop that video into Adobe Audition. There you go. That's it. That's the video. Let's mute this for a second. There you go.
Dit zijn de meest extreme plekken op aarde. Waar deze dieren tegen alle verwachtingen in overleven. De nieuwe serie Hostile Planet: A Wild Night. Vanaf woensdag 24 april, National Geographic.
So this is a National Geographic trailer. 20 seconds. I'm gonna have to find a new background music because I cannot remove the voice from that background music. I'll need to find something new, and then I can record my own voice and put it on the video. That's the plan. So we'll mute this for now. Let's keep it there just as a reference. And let's search for background music. We'll go to audiojungle.net. So what I used to search my new background music was I just type in some tags. It sounded like really heroic music in the original video. I'll search for something similar. So I'll type in heroic music. There we go. And we'll listen to some examples. Yeah, this is too heroic, too fast. It needs to be more emotional.
Audio Jungle.
Yeah, could be okay. No, it'll be this one.
Audio
Yes.
Jungle.
This is actually perfect. Because there's a build-up in the music, which is perfect for this video. So we'll grab this one. And $25, it's not that expensive. You can actually download this version with the watermark, so you can actually go into your DAW and play around with it and see if it really fits or not. And then the watermark will still be there, but once you're done and actually done editing, and you're satisfied, you can go to Audio Jungle and just buy this. I already did this, of course, so we'll go to Downloads, Heroic Music. Here it is. You download it. Click Download on your computer. So this is the audio file, which I bought from Audio Jungle. We'll import it into our DAW, into Audition, and you'll see it's not 20 seconds. It's way longer than that. So, yeah, that's a huge issue. No problem for us for Adobe Audition. What you do is you click on this audio file and you go to Properties here. Click on the Remix tab. You see it's off now, but let's click on Enable Remix. There you go. So Adobe Audition will do this by itself, and you type in 20 seconds. It'll work best with the longest possible file you have, the longest music you have. Just make 20 seconds round. Let's mute this for a second, and let's see how this works. Yeah, which it's perfect. It's actually not bad at all. So that's how you shorten this audio, actually. It sounds pretty good. It's just like instantly Adobe Audition will do this for you. Since I already did this, I'm going to use the track I used before to show you how it works. Let's just delete this file and this file. And down here, you will see that I used this. There we go. Let's pull it down here. Great. Let's unmute this. And this is actually a sound effect that I used, bought off of Audio Jungle as well, to mimic that avalanche at the end. You see the avalanche? So you need a little bit of sounding. So I found that somewhere on Audio Jungle, reversed it, etc. Played around with it, and that's how I did it. That's perfect. And then you need to just add your voice. I'll just go to a different project. So I pulled up the audio that I recorded before, my voice, and this is the end result.
Dit zijn de meest extreme plekken op aarde, waar deze dieren tegen alle verwachtingen in overleven. De nieuwe serie Hostile Planet op Wild Night. Vanaf woensdag 24 april, National Geographic.
And that's basically it. That's how you do it. You just have to make sure that you change the levels here, because this is a little bit too loud. My voice will be actually behind the music, so you don't want to do that. Maybe do some equalizing on this, and it should sound good. And then there's one more thing to do. You have to mix down all this audio so you can put it under the final video. So you select all the clips you have here, the ones that you need for your final audio. You go to File, and then Export, Multi-Track Mixdown, selected clips, and then you save the mixdown. That's it. Click on OK. And then we go to iMovie, and we just import the original YouTube video into iMovie. Here it is, and you just drag it to the timeline here, and then...
Dit zijn de meest extreme...
Well, this is the original audio. We need to separate it. Just right-click on the file here in the timeline. Click on Detach Audio. There you go. Audio is detached. Import your own mixdown and as a WAV file into this iMovie project. And we click on the file, drag the audio onto the timeline, or whatever it's called. You click on the old audio, you just delete it, click on the delete button, there you go. And then just click play or spacebar or whatever you use to make this go, and there you go.
Dit zijn de meest extreme plekken op aarde, waar deze dieren tegen alle verwachtingen in overleven. De nieuwe serie Hostile Planet op Wild Night. Vanaf woensdag 24 april, National Geographic.